Hi there, Liz Jarvis with you. I love helping business owners to understand accounting and tax. What we're going to talk about today is understanding the financial statements. Today I'm going to talk to you very quickly 3 things. Why your business accounts are important, how do you read them, and how to future plan with your business accounts. Your business accounts are a record of what's been going on in your business. They're nothing to be scared of. They're just cold, hard facts that can be unpacked and examined. They reflect what has been processed about your business, and if everything hasn't been given to the accountant, then they may be incorrect. Remember that it's not the job of your accountant or bookkeeper to fly your plane for you. They just record the journey, and they can only record what you give them. Now, how do you read those financials? Just grab the closest set of financial statements you have, if they're from the last tax return, or if you bring up a screen with the P&L and have a look through it with me very quickly. Now, generally at the top, we have our income. We have the sales. They may be broken into categories or not. And then we have cost of sales if they're relevant. So if you are selling product, you would have costs of sales. If you're selling time, like coaches, you probably don't have cost of sales. The sum of the sales minus the cost of sales is called the gross profit. That's how much you have to then spend elsewhere in your business or save for your own profit. Then we move into expenses, and the expenses are those costs incurred in running the business. They're sometimes broken up into fixed and variable, but we don't need to go into that detail today. So have a look line by line at your profit and loss statement and see whether it makes sense to you. Do you think everything's in there? Do you think there are some additional expenses of running your business that are not reflected there? Perhaps your accountant or your bookkeeper or yourself hasn't put them in there. Or perhaps there's something in there that isn't really to do with business and was in fact personal. So it's important to unpack what's there and be confident that it's correct. Perhaps next time you look at it, you might get your bookkeeper or accountant to walk through it with you to help you get further understanding. The financial statements are telling us what's already happened, but we can plan our future by guessing or estimating what's going to happen in the future. We call that budgeting. The budget for a business is not like your household budget where you're completely restricted to only spending this on groceries or whatever. It's a tool that we use to understand our business and how we plan to run it. Things change. We don't always get to run our business the way we want to, but that's okay as well. I can give an example. I help a very large dairy farmer with budgeting, and things happen. The weather changes, all sorts of things happen that change our actuals, but things don't go to plan. But having a plan is important, and it stops us from flying by the seat of our pants. So they're the 3 things I wanted to share with you today. If you would like some help in understanding, having a bit more confidence around your financial statements, I'm happy to give you a quick one-on-one call through my Calendly. There's a link below. Just book in and we can see what the blocks might be in understanding your financial statements. As you get to understand financial information, start to get that literacy around the story that is your business, you can make a massive difference in how it's going and whether you're going to have long-term stability. I hope you book a call with me or make some comments or ask some questions below. See you next time.